one is actually delayed in getting in, but since we're already 10 minutes in, we'll go ahead and get started. So, again, my name is Laquita Jones. I am an extreme couponer. I have been couponing now for a total of about 5 years. I work with Edmund Ford over the last 5 years. I assist with the financial literacy program. And I find that with the cost of living and the ever changing environment that we live in, I wanted to be able to be an asset to people to show them how myself and how I taught others on how to do extreme couponing. So this is one of the times that I take the time to actually walk people through the couponing presentation. Now, with this coupon presentation, because it is a lot of information. Usually at the end, I'll give a chance for a Q&A, and if not a chance for a Q&A, I'll extend my contact information so that I can be contacted at a later date. So I'll start with my contact information on the front end. This here is my Facebook page as well as my Instagram. I have my personal cell phone number and I have my email address. Now, I can be reached on any of these options. If it is to book another coupon workshop or class, I do churches, I do Women's Day Out, I've done nonprofits, I do the YMCA. Just anyone who's interested in doing a couponing gathering, I always make sure that I extend the invitation on how to be contacted. Also, you can message me questions or concerns that you may have once you begin your actual coupon journey. So, in addition to that, I'm also a author. I have 4 coupon guides, three coupon guides, and one is college related. But these here are all offered on Amazon. But you can also contact me directly if you have an additional interest in purchasing one directly. Now, the 101 coupon tips for beginners, that's strictly for someone who's starting out with couponing, don't know where to start, you're truly new, and you just need any type of assistance that you can get. I also have 101 money saving tips for college students because I am a mom of a college student. I found that it was very trying and challenging when my daughter started school to actually be able to put money aside and find resources. So I make this guide for assistance for anyone who may be in college or actually heading off to college. It makes a great graduation gift as well as a trunk party gift. 101 coupon tips for intermediate and advanced couponers. That's for my people who have already been couponing for a while and just want to get your hands on a little bit more information. This here is always a great guide. So when it comes to talking about intermediate and advanced couponing. In addition to that, I have 135 coupon grocery shopping hacks and tips. This basically talks about some of the games that the retailers actually pay with us consumers. And with that, this is kind of give you some tips and tricks. I did see that we had one more person to join us, so I'll give them a chance to come into the conversation.
Ms. Jones.
Hey, how are you?
Fine. Thank you so much for being here today.
No problem. And I'm trying to see the name. Can you tell me who I'm speaking with?
You're speaking to Ernest Chenault.
Ernest. Okay. Hi,
Yes,
Ernest.
ma'am.
Thank you so much for joining us. All right, so we're just basically going over the basics when it comes to couponing. Can you guys still see my screen okay?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get started with the couponing segment. So, why use coupons? A lot of times, again, because of the time that we live in, a lot of people are looking to save money in a household. I think with this recent pandemic that we just went through, a lot of people are looking to find new ways to save money, to cut back on any type of expenses. It seems to me post pandemic that everything has an inflammation in prices, and I just think that it's always savvy for people to consider other ways to save money in their household. Now, of course, lifestyle changes with the pandemic. There was some people who unfortunately did lose their jobs. There are some people who has lost an additional income source, be it death or someone is just not no longer able to work. So with that being said, a lot of people are looking to coupon or ways to save money in that capacity. Of course, you have stockpiling. This is also known as hoarding. So with stockpiling, people are always looking to get like all these fancy coupon items. So a lot of times they'll actually jump out there and they'll start couponing just to stock up on items. Income changes again with the pandemic. Some people lost a source of income. Some people may have lost the extra stream of income, and then some people just have lost income altogether. And then you have, of course, for myself, you do it for a hobby. Because my children are now adults or semi-adults, I no longer coupon for so much as the capacity of to save. It's more so as a hobby. I also teach people when it comes to charities, fires, drives, and different hurricanes. I'm always telling people that we should donate to different projects and services. So a lot of times I ask people to or show people how to collect things for like churches and homeless shelters and things of that sort. Again, with so much limited funding going around, a lot of people are looking to save money in house, and what easier way to do it with just couponing. So, what is a coupon? A coupon is basically a voucher entitling a person in possession of that voucher or that piece of paper to a discount on a particular product. I think that's the number one thing that people get confused on when it comes to couponing. The coupon is for a set particular item. If the coupon is for gain 12 ounce, the coupon is for gain 12 ounce. If the coupon is for Tide 46 ounce, the coupon is for Tide 46 ounce. Even if it's Tide and it's the same product, that coupon has to be used for the item that's indicated on there. The keyword on that coupon or any coupon is always going to be any. If it says any Tide or any gain, you can use it on any Tide or any gain. If that's not the case, then of course it has to be used on the item that it mentions. So 7 things you'll need to coupon. Number one, you need a calculator. Calculator. In this day and time, with everyone having cell phones, we're always on our phones. We have our phones in our possession. I know myself, I actually have two. So I'm always with my cell phone. So since I'm always with my cell phone, it's always good to use my calculator when I'm in the store. Now, my daughters, when they go shopping with me, a lot of times they try to slide things in the basket. I'm real big on not doing that. I like to put everything into my calculator so that I can have a idea of what I'm actually spending. I don't know about you guys, but I've been in Walmart or even Target before, and they've hit total, and I only bought 5 things. How did I spend that much money? So a calculator will be one of those things that's gonna knock out that shock factor. The next thing is going to be organizational skills. I cannot tell you how many people I meet and how many times I meet these people, and they say they want a coupon, they have started couponing, and when I ask them about their coupons and where their coupons are located, their coupons are in their purse, or their coupons are on the front seat of their car, or their coupons are in their trunk. If you're one of those people that are not organized, when you start coupons, you're going to get very frustrated very fast because you don't have any organizational skills. The next thing you're going to need is a pair of scissors. Now, the way that I teach couponing, we're not going to take all of the newspapers and buy them on Sunday and cut out all the coupons. We're not going to do that. We cut the coupons out as we find deals. So I'll show you guys a little bit later on how to find deals. All right, you need time. From beginning to end, I always tell a person, can you give 2 hours per week to dedicated couponing? Just two. If you can give 2 hours per week to dedicated couponing, you have the time to coupon. You also have to have patience. Again, number one, a lot of stores are short staffed because of the pandemic. Number two, it's just a new day and time we live in. This is our new normal. You have to have patience when you go in these stores. They're already crowded because people are looking for products. They're already crowded because people are short on people actually checking out, stockers, different things. It's now looking a new way when we go in these stores. So if you don't have the patience, you're going to get frustrated very, very quickly with couponing. And number six, you have to have a budget. So a lot of times